guys, it's me, and today I am going to be taking my old blonde wig and trying to put pink on one side and blue on the other side for Harley Quinn. So let's go. For the first thing I want to do is I want to put on my wig so that way I can like section out the hair where I want the pigtails to be, so that way it doesn't look weird when it's on my head and I pigtail it, you know? Okay, so now that it's on, the first thing I want to do is I want to put this in pigtails. So I have these rubber bands that are like the rubbery ones. So, hold on. I want to do this on my head so that way it best fits the shape of my head. I can't put them too high, otherwise the wefts in my hair will show. That's not bad, right there. I want to do another one just because I don't want this to fall out. I want these to be as even as possible. That's not even. This one's way lower than that one. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little higher than I actually want it, because I think then it'll lower as I put this in. They're the same length, I think. Yeah, they look like the same. So I'm gonna put another rubber band around this just so that way it stays. Okay, so this isn't supposed to be center parted, but I center parted it just now. Like, you can see the wefts, but I don't really care because I'm gonna be like this when I do my videos. And also, you could totally, you can totally see the wefts right here. But I'm just going to be I'm just going to be making TikToks with these and probably just like videos like this, so I don't really care about the hair in the back. But if you want your hair to like cover in the back, then you probably need to go for a better wig than this one. This was just a cheap one I got off of Amazon when I was like 13 maybe, so. Okay, so I looked it up and it says that the right side of her hair is pink. So I'm going to be doing pink on the right side of my hair. Now I'm only going to be using eyeshadow because that's what I have. So I am going into this palette, and I'm going to be taking the pink and just putting it on my finger and then trying to like rub it on the bottom. And I don't know how this is going to work, so I'm just going to try. Okay, it's kind of sticking. This is probably going to take a while, so I'll speed this up. I got this little piece done. I don't know if I'm probably gonna have it go up more. Make sure you flip over the hair after you've done the one side to get the back side, otherwise it's not going to be pink. So I'm just gonna keep doing this over and over and over again until it's finally all pink. So I did the bottoms of these. I kind of want to go a little bit higher, but I'm running out of pink. So I want to do the bangs first, and then if I have extra, then I will make it go up. But I just don't want to end up running out and not being able to finish the bangs. So I'm just gonna... I hit my camera. Sorry. Well, my phone, but my camera stand, whatever. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing, but on the bangs. You know what? I don't like how this is framing my face. So I think I'm gonna trim this, just this one piece. It's what that took the pink the best though, but whatever. I need to trim this up just a little because it is way too in my face. There we go. I like that a lot better. It was just too long and falling in my face. There we go, that looks better. Now I'm just going to take the pink and just fix this up just a bit. Okay, this is the pink side. I like it. Like, it's not the best, but it'll work, and like, I kind of like it. So now I'm going to go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the pink is done and I've washed my hands, I am going to take blue and do this side. I wanted to make sure I washed my hands so I didn't accidentally transfer some pink onto this side. So I'm going to be going back into the same palette and taking this blue. And see, like, it took a lot of the pink out, so it's going to be taking a lot of this blue out. This blue is probably going to be easier to pigment and put on the hair because it's darker than the pink was. I'm actually surprised though at how much this is actually sticking. I didn't think this was actually going to work. I'm really happy that it's actually working. First strand done. Okay, so now that I have these 3 done, I'm just going to keep doing this until I get to the bangs, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did this side. I'm probably going to fix this one strand because it's bothering me because it's not, like, tall enough. But I want to be, like, semi-symmetrical because I don't want them to be, like, one's, like, super blue and then one's, like, not as pink. But it doesn't matter that much. It doesn't need to be perfect because she is Harley Quinn, and it doesn't really matter with her because she's Harley Quinn. So now I'm going to start working on the bangs. It feels like the blue is taking a lot longer to actually stick to the hair than the pink was for some reason, which is weird because the blue is darker than the pink, so I don't know. Is so much longer than all of the other hair. I'm gonna trim this really quick. That looks better than before because it was just really long. Okay, so while I was gone from this camera, I've re-ponytailed these because it was like super poofy and like the hair was like not being pulled in the right way on either side, so I just took out the rubber bands and redid them. And then this is still the back of my head. There's still weft showing, but I feel like it's a little bit less, so but I don't know, I can't really see the back of my head. I like how this ended up looking. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Bye.